Hey guys, Trevor here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make Netflix videos full screen on your iPhone or Android. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. I have Netflix open here. Say I just want to tap on one of the videos here. If you want to make this full screen, you'll notice that the preview is rolling at the very top here, but it's not full screen. In order to make that full screen, the first thing that you'll want to do is just try to rotate your device to landscape mode. So if you have your device so that it's in portrait mode, it's longer, up and down, then you just want to move it over so that it's in portrait or landscape mode, and then it should automatically go to landscape mode and fill the entire screen. I can't do that right now because Netflix doesn't allow you to record while having something in full screen like that. But that'll be the first step. The other step that you'll want to do is, say if you put it in landscape mode and it's still not filling, the entire screen. Say there are some black borders around the sides or the top. All you have to do is use your fingers to pinch out. So you put your fingers on the video and you pinch out, and that will kind of zoom into the video and make it fill the entire screen. So those two tricks, make sure to turn your phone over to landscape mode and then pinch out on the actual video itself while watching it, and that'll zoom in and kind of enhance it so that it fills the entire screen of your device. So that's it, pretty quick and easy. Let us know if you have any questions in the comments below, and make sure to subscribe. Thanks.